In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a WooCommerce store on a Hostinger VPS. We'll go from the very beginning all the way to testing your storefront before you make it public, and I'll walk you through each part in a simple, practical way so it's easy to follow. First, sign into your Hostinger account and head to your hosting dashboard. Once you're inside, either purchase a VPS plan if you haven't already, or open your existing VPS plan if it's already active. From there, create your VPS instance. During this stage, you'll be asked to choose your server setup, and for this tutorial, you should select the operating system or WordPress compatible template shown in the tutorial you're following. Choosing the right template can save time and make the WordPress setup much smoother. After the VPS is ready, the next step is to point your domain to the VPS IP address. This connects your domain name to the server so visitors can reach your website. Depending on where your domain is managed, DNS changes can take a little time to update, so keep that in mind if the site doesn't appear immediately. Once the domain is pointing correctly, install WordPress on the server. This is the foundation of your website and the platform WooCommerce runs on. After WordPress is installed, configure SSL so your website uses HTTPS. This is important not only for security, but also for customer trust, especially if you're planning to sell products online. A secure connection helps protect login details and customer activity on your site. Next, sign into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins, then Add New, and search for WooCommerce. When you find it, install and activate the plugin. WooCommerce turns a standard WordPress site into a full online store, and once it's activated, you'll be guided into the store setup wizard. Take your time with the setup wizard and complete the main store details carefully. After that, configure your products, shipping, payment methods, and taxes. This is where your store becomes functional, so accuracy matters. Make sure your product information is clear, your shipping settings match how you plan to deliver orders, and your payment options are working the way you expect. Finally, test the storefront before making it public. Visit your shop like a customer would, browse products, check the cart, and go through the checkout experience. This final review helps you catch any setup issues early and gives you confidence that your store is ready for real visitors. That's it. Once everything looks good, your WooCommerce store on Hostinger VPS is ready to go live.